Good morning, all of you. Now, today we are going to study about the non-infectious diseases. In the previous period, we have seen about the infectious diseases. Now, today we are going to study about non-infectious diseases. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. So, the diseases which are not pass from one person to another. Okay, so the such diseases are called as the non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reason. So we will see now what are the reason of these diseases and what are they. The first one is cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. So what is a cancer? In the body you see abnormal, some extra cells grow, okay, in the body, and that is nothing but a cancer. So group or lump a piece of some these cells, or this is called that lump of cancerous cell is called as malignant tumor. Okay, so malignant tumor is nothing but a that what is that? It is a tumor, a group of cells which destroy the body, other body tissues. Okay, then cancer can occur in various organs like lung, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. So these are the organs in which cancer occurs. Okay, so we have heard about that lung cancer, which persons are suffering from lung cancer, mouth cancer, tongue, stomach cancer, breast cancer, uterus, skin, and tissues, or like blood cancer. Okay, so these are the types of cancer. Now, what are the reason of this cancer? So the consumption of tobacco. So those people who are taking tobacco, they are likely to be have cancer. Then gutka, then smoking, alcoholism, the person who drink alcohols and all that. Then lack of fiber content. So those who are not eating of fruits and leafy vegetables in food, fiber content, they are also having there are possibility of having facing the problem of this cancer. Then excessive consumption of junk food, eating food heavily of junk food like pizza, burger, etc. are some of the many possible reason. Okay, so nowadays we are having lockdown, so these people are not eating this pizzas, burgers. So you can realize what is the difference by eating the junk food and eating the food which are prepared in the houses. So we are not, by eating our house the whole food and all that, we are not feeling sick and all that, but by eating by outside food, these pizzas, burgers, no, so people are getting sick time to time. Okay, now heredity may also be a reason. Okay, so heredity already we have studied in the last period, the disease which transfer from one generation to generation in a family. So this is also one of the reason. Okay, what are the symptoms of cancer? Chronic cough, long life means chronic cough means the cough is for a very long period. Okay, then hoarse voice. Hoarse voice means huge voice comes from the for during, for example, some person having cough, no, so some very typical voice comes. Okay, that is a hoarse voice. Then hoarse voice. Okay, that is hoarse voice. Then difficulty in swallowing, so person is not able to swallow the food and all that, so that is also one of the symptoms. Then incurable scar. Okay, or incurable scar mean that mark on skin, patches we are able to appear, no, some skin, no, some patches, marks are there, that is also one of the symptoms of cancer. And inflammation means swelling of that skin. Then lumps in breast. Then unexplained weight loss, so some for example, the person start with losing his weight, okay, without any reason, so that is also one of the symptoms of the cancer. Okay, some information is there, modern diagnostics and treatment of cancer. So nowadays you see some modern techniques are there, techniques like CT scan. CT scan, the full form is computed tomography. Okay, computed tomography. So that is also that because of this scan we can take the pictures which is not recognized by the naked eyes and all that. So MRI, so that is also one of the technique, modern technique. Magnetic resonance imaging. Okay, that is magnetic resonance imaging scan, then mammography, then biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer. Now, in case of treatment, along with conventional methods like chemotherapy, in this, no, you see that cancers are killed. That organisms, okay, that the organisms or the carriers of cancer are killed by the chemotherapy, the radiations. Okay, radiations are passed and they are killed. Radiation therapy and surgery, surgeon, doctor, surgeons are there, so they, what they do, operations and all that. So modern techniques like robotic nowadays and laparoscopy surgery are also followed. So these are the some of the modern technique of the cancer. Okay, now do you remember of any person drinking the sugar free tea or avoiding consumption of sweet? What may be the possible reason for this? Actually, this sentence is related to diabetes. Okay, so nowadays you see the person who are suffering from diabetes, so they are taking the sugar free tea and avoiding the consumption of sweet. Okay, whatever sweet things are there, so they are not eating. Now, second one, diabetes. This is also one of the non-infectious disease. What is that? The hormone insulin. Now, the hormone insulin produced in pancreas. So hormones are there. We know that hormones are there. So called insulin produced in pancreas. They control the level of sugar glucose in blood. So as we know that we are having sugar glucose in blood now, so they control this hormones insulin. But if insulin is secreted in low quantity, so if there is a less secretion formation, secretion means insulin comes out of that. Okay, so insulin is secreted in low quantity, then what happens, the glucose level cannot be controlled. Okay, so that glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Okay, so this is the, what is diabetes? It is nothing but the sugar level of glucose is more or less. Okay, so that is diabetes. What are the symptoms of diabetes? Symptoms which cannot be ignored. We should not take easy of this. Whatever they, for example, some person is suffering from the symptoms, so you should take a test of the diabetes, or you should go to the doctor. So what are the symptoms? Frequent urination at night. So during night, no, for example, a person have to go to toilet time to time. Okay, frequent. Okay, many times he has to go during night. Then increase obesity. Okay, obesity means that overweight or the weight increases of a person, or weight loss, or very decrease, very reduce. These are the symptoms of the diabetes. Then what are the reasons for diabetes? The reasons are heredity. Okay, so this is maybe, for example, a father is suffering from diabetes, so naturally there are chances of that the son or the daughters of that person may suffer from this diabetes. Then obesity means very weighted person have chances of this diabetes. Okay, so then lack of physical exercise, a person who is not doing the physical exercise, so there are chances of this diabetes. And mental stress. Mental stress means nowadays you see mentally people are very stressful, having a very lot of tension and all that, so that is also one of the reason which lead to the diabetes. Now, what are the preventive measures? How we can prevent this? Following the proper diet of this, our food prevent. We should it is said that no, prevention is better than cure. So we have to prevent. So following the proper diet, medicine, and exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. So if we are doing, those who are suffering from diabetes, so they have to take proper diet, medicine, and exercise under the supervision of doctors to keep the diabetes under control. So one more information is there. India has the largest number of diabetes patient in the world at present. Okay, so at present, no, approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in the country. So our population, as we know, that is more than 125 crore. So out of that, 7 crore diabetes patients are present in our country. Okay, so we will complete up to now here. Thank you.